Meet the Cricut Joy Xtra, the newest machine in Cricut's lineup. In this video, we are going to unbox this, review everything it can do, and talk about where this machine fits in the lineup, and most importantly, is this right for you? Let's get into it. This is the Joy Xtra. This is actually the second machine that Cricut has launched in 2023. A few months ago, they launched the Cricut Venture, which is a wide format machine. This one is much smaller, and there's definitely some differences. If you want to find a full overview of all the machines available in 2023, take a look at the videos down below and I walk through them all. Today, we are focusing on the Joy Xtra. It has one plug, no buttons, so it's completely run either with the app on your phone or through your computer via a Bluetooth connection, which makes this really nice and portable. It can go anywhere. You're going to find your handy Cricut envelope with everything you need to get started. It's really easy to go into Cricut Design Space and calibrate your machine, get everything set up. You're also going to get a couple pieces of material. We've got some smart vinyl, some iron-on, so you can do some test cuts and get going with this machine. You're also going to get a pen to write with and the cutest weeding tool you have ever seen. I use this all the time now. This machine fits right between the Joy and the Explore Air 2. Both machines are available. This one just fills a need that wasn't there before. So, what can this do that the Joy cannot? So this is the Cricut Joy, and this is the Xtra. They have this cute little rounded pod look. They actually have the same cord in the back and almost the same functions in the front. So they both come with a fine point blade. They both can write using any of the Joy markers or drawing utensils. So any of these fine point pens, gel pens, markers, all kinds of different writing pieces will fit in either one of these. The foiling tool that came out with the Joy also works with the Joy Xtra. So you can cut with a fine point blade, you can foil, and you can draw. So what sets these two apart? Obviously, the size is a big deal here. This is a 9-inch width, and you can cut a piece of smart material with this. There is brand new smart material that is out that is 9 inches wide and up to 4 feet long. You can also use a standard cutting mat on this, which will get you about 8.5 inches wide. The Joy Xtra also comes with a card mat, and just like the Joy, I love using my Joy to make cards. So having that ability with the Joy Xtra is really important. I want to be able to make cards with this machine. So other than the size difference, what sets these two machines apart? Why would you want the Xtra over the Joy? Here's the kicker. Here's the big thing. The Xtra comes with a print then cut sensor, which means you can make stickers. If you've been around this channel before, you've probably seen this video up above where I show you the workaround to make stickers using your Joy. It is a couple different steps and you need to do a few different things, but it's possible to make stickers with your Joy. It just takes a little longer. It's built into the Xtra, you guys. This is a game changer. This is huge. To be able to have a small, compact machine like this that actually makes stickers is amazing. It's my favorite part of the Joy Xtra. There are a few mats that work with the Joy Xtra. So you get a standard mat. There are 2 different grips that you can get with this machine, so you can cut scraps of vinyl or iron-on or any type of material. There is also a card mat. One of my favorite functions of the Joy is that I can make cards with it, so you can still do the same thing using a card mat with your Joy Xtra. This machine accommodates smart materials as well. So all the smart materials that we know and love that work with the Joy and the Explorer and the Maker, they're all here in a new 9-inch width to use with your Joy Xtra. The Xtra has lots of writing functions, so all of the Joy markers, pens, and other utensils that you use can work with the Xtra as well. With the launch of the Joy Xtra comes some brand new materials that we as Cricut users have been waiting for a while. We have brand new, improved, amazing sticker paper in a couple different finishes. So we have waterproof sticker paper, We have printable vinyl, we have regular sticker paper. There are a ton of different products. You can find a link down in the description and check these out. So these are letter size or A4. They fit on the standard mat that comes with your Joy Xtra, so you can perform print then cut functions with this. They also work in your Maker and Explore. So the Joy Xtra is a pretty awesome machine. It is a huge step up from the Joy. It allows us to do print then cut projects, mainly stickers, because who doesn't love to make stickers? This machine can help you create the most popular projects. So custom t-shirts for your group of friends, stickers for whatever you want to put stickers on. You can cut infusible ink and use them on a mug with your mug press. The most popular projects you can make with Cricut, you can make with the Joy Xtra. The Joy Xtra fits into the Cricut lineup right between the original Joy and the Explore Air 2, both of which are still available and will continue to be available. This just fills in that niche, both in capabilities and in price. So let's talk about price. This machine retails for $199 in the US. $199 is a great price to get into the world of Cricut and be able to create the most popular projects. Who is this machine for? If you currently have a Cricut, if you're working your Maker 3 every day and you love it and you are an enthusiast and you make all the things, you probably don't need the Joy Xtra. Your Maker's going to do everything you need to do. If you are not a Cricut owner, if you've thought, I would love to get into the world of Cricut, I would love to make all these cool projects that I see all the time, this is the machine for you. This is the machine that's going to allow you to make all those popular projects, the t-shirts, the decals, the stickers, anything you want to make, you can do it with the Joy Xtra. And at $199, this is a fantastic deal. All right, so that's everything you need to know about the Joy Xtra, the newest machine in Cricut's lineup. We talked about what it can do and who it's for. If you are new to the world of Cricut and you're looking at getting a machine that can make the most popular projects, this is the machine for you. Take a look down in the description. This machine launches officially on September 7th, and there will be a link to get your own down below. If you are interested in other Cricut machines, be sure to take a look at my other comparison videos to learn about the capabilities of their entire lineup and figure out which one is right for you. If you like this video, if you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I am here every week with brand new videos helping you create at home and figure out which products are right for you. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.